grade. It's Miss Rayner. This week we are going to be working in lesson 29 in our math book, our Ready Math book. It is measuring angles. And I have several little short videos that will take you through the book, the math instruction book. But I wanted to show you a really cool website that I actually stole this from Miss Inman, that will give you practice measuring angles on the computer. So I'm going to open it up, and it is called transom.org. You can go there yourself, and all you have to type in is measuring angles, and it will show you, which I'm going to talk to you about when we go to the math book, but you've got a protractor right here, and you are going to line your protractor up. You notice the little center part's going to be lined up with the vertex. And then you push the shift key and down, and you can rotate your protractor. Well, let's get this done. Hold on. And you're going to line it up to the 0. And then you notice that all of these angles, when you look at this, all of these angles are acute. So you know that it's going to be less than 90 degrees because an acute angle is 0 to 89 degrees. So I know when I am looking right here, I'm going to look at the numbers, the bottom numbers, and it's going to be 70, 75, 80. So it's not 70 and it's not quite 75. So I'm going to guesstimate 72 degrees, okay? Let's see if that's right. Well, I'm going to put that in there. I don't know if it's right or not. All right, now I'm going to move over to the next one. Once again, I'm taking this right here. This is the center, and I'm going to line it up with the vertex. You know, that's where two rays meet. Two lines, two rays. And I'm going to also make sure that I push the shift key, and I'm going to maneuver this around and make sure I line up this bottom ray with the 0. Then I'll follow this next ray up, and it's still acute, so it's less than 90 degrees. So I'm going to say this is 40, 45, 50. I think it's pretty much straight up on the 45 mark, so that's what I'm going to put in. And let's see. So you can practice measuring. Let's do one more. So we're going to drag our protractor down. And I'm going to put the center over the vertex. Make sure, push the shift key, and then press down. Make sure I line it up. I know it's less than 90, so I'm going to look at these bottom numbers. If I put 125, that would be an obtuse angle, so I know that's not correct. So I'm going to look at the bottom numbers, and I have 50, and I have 60, and right in the middle, so I believe that is 55. So let's see, is there somewhere to submit? Let's check our answers. Then you go check, and 55 is correct, 72 is correct, 45. So I suggest level 1 is acute, level 2 are obtuse. Let's see what level 3 is. We're not doing reflex angles right now. So go to this website. This will be really good because you do a lot of stuff on computers. This will be a really good website for you to go to and practice measuring the angles, and it will tell you if you're correct or not. So, thank you so much, 4th grade. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.